Need to cool a large area? Agile Equipment is now hiring out 6.18 kilowatt portable aircon units. In this video, we talk about its specifications and capabilities, things to note, as well as our hire process including installation and delivery. We've divided this video into chapters for your convenience. So what makes these units great? These powerful commercial units are capable of cooling up to 60 square meters of office space, all on a standard 10 amp plug, and can cool down to 18 degrees Celsius. For reference, that's about the size of our showroom in Murarrie. They also serve as powerful spot cools for warehouses and large open areas. The spot cooling is immediate and very noticeable, perfect for directing cooling to high traffic areas and spots where workers tend to complete their tasks. They work quite well in dehumidifying and filtering dust in the air, and the multi-layer aluminium filters are also removable and washable. Mobility is a breeze thanks to lockable caster wheels. Plus, with 2 adjustable cooling ducts, you can direct airflow exactly where you want it. Just some things to keep in mind for these units: they use 9.07 amps, so when running multiple units, they may need to be run on different circuits to avoid accidental tripping. Additionally, the units store condensation runoff in an 11-litre tank, which we recommend emptying daily when in use. Venting is required for effective air conditioning to take place using ducting either out of a window or into ceiling space with a modified ceiling tile. Please note, we only hire out units in the Greater Brisbane, Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast areas in Queensland. Please note that these units are around 60 to 70 decibels loud, depending on whether or not you have venting or not, so please take that into consideration when you want to use these units. Here at Agile Equipment, we hire our units out all year round. We offer installation and delivery at a fee, provided there is easy access to the site. Stairs are also a consideration. A technician is sent out with an Agile ute with a tailgate lift, modified ceiling tiles, and ducting to help install the unit on site. If you'd like, you can forego the delivery and installation fee by picking up the unit yourself and following the steps just mentioned. Keep in mind that the unit weighs 84 kilos and must be kept upright. A ute or truck with forklift access or a tailgate lift is recommended. Installation is easy. Step 1, wheel it into the intended position. Ducting is a consideration, so near a window or directly under the center of a ceiling tile is recommended. Step 2. In this case, we will be exhausting through a ceiling tile. We have a modified ceiling tile where we are cut to 290mm diameter hole. Install the modified ceiling tile into the ceiling. Step 3. Tape one end of the 300mm ducting to the exhaust of the unit and fit the other end into the ceiling tile hole. To minimize heat transfer, you will want to keep the venting as straight as possible. Step 2 to 3 can easily be repeated with cardboard to fit a window. Step 4. Turn on the unit. For spot cooling, hit the spot cooling button to maximize cooling capacity, and for room cooling, hit the cooling button which allows you to set the intended temperature. You can find the 6.18 kilowatt portable air cons on our website for hire, so check them out on airconditioninghire.com.au or agileequipment.com.au. You can jump on live chat, give us a call on 1300 024 713 or visit us at our Murarrie location.